have our kitchen. Come in. Huh?
Wait for, but you still have to wait for it.
But it should be enough for 5 of us.
5, this is fine here.
It's enough.
Wow.
It's because we have a sharing. I'm missing my bed.
You've not got your bed.
See your mom here eating wrap, enjoying herself, forgot her children.
She forgot her children at
Forgot her
home.
children at home.
There's one here though. One who came with her, the eldest of them. For 5 crowns. When you use it for
You can be
5,
hanging on the bed. Isn't there something you can...
To hold the
Yeah,
door.
to
I
hold
don't
the
think
door
so.
And this is a very beautiful, like, our room I think is the best.
Yeah, we got
Because
the
we have
best.
the view.
You got the best view, the best view.
You can just come out and stand here, which is okay.
Yes, come in.
Come
if you're
in.
nice and good looking. He said, oh. Look at the shoe. Beautiful.
Very nice.
See each other! Oh, how lovely! Is it a lot of secondary school or specialized in something?
Alright, when you find it, let me know. You just
Okay.
keep touching it. It's a pink thing. It's a pink kind of, it's like a cup. It's like
But I have to stay there.
Say hi.
And when it stops, I'll sit you like, no, it's not moving, just look the beautiful scenery. It was nice.
Say hi.
Hello.
Let's
Hi,
selfie
there. Let's take selfie picture. Oh, you didn't take a picture
You did?
outside. You want to take one?
It's very nice.
It's very nice.
Outside. Oh, for us, yeah.
Yeah, go take
Okay. Now, right here. Fire alarm.
Hello. Do you have a big bag for the day?
Maybe when probably they'll put it when they finish. Maybe.
Not really. It's outside. Thank you.
So they want for bean bag.
The big bag, yeah.
It's on your right side. The boiler is not working yet, so you have to boil the kettle. Are you now the new blogger? Are you taking over?
Don't worry, I'll blow your face. Kitchen, surgeon. Oh, this is tea and coffee place. Yeah, I need water. Oh, the squash. I don't want squash. Yeah. the program. I just like that view over there.
Right.
Mm.
So, yeah, thank you for bringing the sunshine.
We came with the lunch.
Yes. We'll keep it.
Hopefully we'll have more enough this weekend. There's not much more.
Is it?
The bedroom is together.
Aaron, you okay?
Aaron is with
Yeah?
Alex.
Oh,
The
with Alex.
bedroom is with good Alex.
Oh, ay, by fire, by force. For my attention.
That's fine.
It's fine, send it to me.
No, she's doing videos.
Oh, you're doing a video. Oh, hey. Hello. Look at that beautiful water. Oh,
there now.
it's the best. Look at that.
Let's watch them.
Question from an educational perspective, looking at where we are. Lady,
Yeah.
lady, if we put the phones away.
Whoa. There she comes.
There she goes.
Run. How many kilometers did you run? Yeah, you must did it. Well done.
That's well done. There she goes. How many kilometers did you run for?
Here we are. We're tired.
Look at
Knackered.
that. I'm knackered. Can you imagine?
Say hi.
Say
Catch your
hello.
breath.
Don't have the strength to say
You
hello
can't
again.
even wave.
Don't have them, you can't even.
She made it.
The preventer said that people don't jump over.
Yeah.
So it's an interesting thing that in the start, isn't it, that we feel we need to check everybody.
River.
No, it's a reservoir. Okay, so this whole area sees a lot of rain. Most of this infrastructure was built during reintroduce more wealth.
That is nice.
Ban up behind you. Taliban. On YouTube, there's actually some footage of the last couple of months Now, I totally get that people are feeling uncomfortable about this, by going and giving them some. But
Yeah.
that's outdoor education. And part of the reason why we engage in outdoor learning is because of our comfort zones and our boundaries.
Jesus, this is scary.
Comfort zone, we've got no comfort zone to live in.
getting a free ride. You're getting a free ride.
Thank you, Aisha.
Aisha, you can stop me anywhere. You can stop me anywhere. Where do you guys live?